Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking for the best electric scooter in 2026, whether for daily commuting, off-road riding, or long-range travel, you're in the right place. Today, I'll be reviewing 5 of the best electric scooters available right now, based on speed, range, comfort, build quality, and value for money. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Now, let's get started. Number 1. M4 electric scooter for adults with seat. The M4 electric scooter is a powerful, heavy-duty scooter designed for riders who want speed, comfort, and long range. It comes with a removable seat, a strong motor, and off-road tires, making it suitable for both city roads and rough terrain. Top speed, 25 to 30 miles per hour. Range, 31 to 37 miles. Weight capacity, 300 plus pounds. Tires, 10-inch off-road tires. Foldable design for portability. In real-world use, the M4 stands out for its power and riding comfort. The seat makes long rides far less tiring, especially for commuters or older riders. Acceleration is smooth, and the handling tall hills and uneven roads better than most standard commuter scooters. The suspension and large tires provide a stable ride even on gravel or broken pavement. Pros: very fast top speed, long riding range, seat included for comfort, strong frame for heavier riders, great for off-road and city use. Cons: heavier than standard scooters, not ideal for carrying upstairs, takes longer to charge. The M4 electric scooter is perfect for riders who want power, comfort, and long-distance capability. If speed and range matter most to you, this is an excellent choice. Number 2. Hiboy S2 Pro and X300 electric scooters. The Hiboy S2 Pro and X300 are premium commuter scooters designed for daily city riding with extra power. Motor, 500 watt. Top speed, 19 to 23 miles per hour. Range, 25 to 38 miles. Tires, 10-inch S2 Pro / 12-inch X300. Folding frame. These scooters deliver a smooth and reliable commuting experience. The motor feels strong enough for city hills, and the braking system is responsive and safe. The X300 version, with its larger tires, offers better comfort on uneven roads. They're also lightweight enough to fold and carry when needed. Pros: strong 500-watt motor, good balance of speed and range, smooth ride quality, reliable brand reputation, easy to fold and store. Cons: no seat option, app features are basic, suspension could be better. The Hiboy S2 Pro X300 is a great option for urban commuters who want reliability, speed, and decent range without going bulky. Number 3. Hiboy S2 / S2 Max electric scooter. The Hiboy S2 and S2 Max are popular commuter scooters that focus on efficiency and portability. Motor options, 350 watt or 500 watt. Top speed, 19 miles per hour. Range, 17 to 40.4 miles. Tires, 8.5-inch or 10-inch. Lightweight folding design. These scooters are best suited for short to medium daily commutes. The S2 Max version stands out due to its extended battery range, making it ideal for riders who don't want to charge every day. Handling is predictable, and the scooter feels stable at top speed. Pros: long battery life on S2 Max, lightweight and portable, good braking system, affordable price point, ideal for beginners. Cons: lower top speed, no suspension on some models, not suitable for off-road riding. If you want a simple, reliable, and budget-friendly electric scooter, the S2 or S2 Max is an excellent choice. Number 4. Hiboy S2 / S2 Max alternate listing. This is another official listing of the Hiboy S2 / S2 Max, offering the same performance, but often with different pricing or bundle options. Performance remains the same: efficient, stable, and easy to use. This listing is worth checking if you're looking for better deals, discounts, or warranty options. Pros: same trusted performance, often discounted, easy maintenance, good resale value. Cons: no major upgrades over previous model. Limited customization. Choose this version if you find a better price or bundle, as performance remains solid and dependable. Number 5. MEGAWHEELS electric scooter. The MEGAWHEELS electric scooter is designed for short trips and casual commuting. Motor 350 watt. Top speed 15.5 miles per hour. Range up to 19 miles. Tires 10-inch pneumatic. Smart app control. This scooter is lightweight, quiet, and very easy to ride. The pneumatic tires and suspension help absorb bumps, making it comfortable for short city rides. The app lets you control speed modes and lock the scooter remotely. Pros: comfortable ride, lightweight and compact, app-based controls, good for beginners, affordable. Cons: limited range, lower top speed, not suitable for hills or heavy riders. The MEGAWHEELS electric scooter is perfect for short commutes, students, and casual riders who want something simple and affordable. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like, subscribe, and comment below which electric scooter you'd choose in 2026. All product links are in the description, and I'll see you in the next video.